Saturdays are for working on the farm, doing all those things we didn't get to do during the week, and working all together. We got a huge truckload of wood chips locally for $10. Couldn't believe it. This section we're putting wood chips down is what we call the yard chicken area. We have around 9 or 10 yard chickens, and they keep all the pests away and all the bugs right around where we sit each night. Her little garden gloves kill me. So cute. I'm freshening up their coop in the yard. As you can see in the corner, there's some mints. I always hang fresh mint in there. Helps keep flies away. Fresh grit and oyster shells for them. Sweet alley cat. They're all checking out the new digs. We have also figured out that this lovely, lovely Silky, his name is Daphne, is actually a Daniel. These spoiled, rotten chickens. I'm constantly giving them treats, gathering eggs, making sure everybody has fresh, cold water. You ready for this? I can't tell you how excited I was to capture this. I left my camera there recording and just praying that she or he would show up. And they did. I slowed the video down by 80%, so this is just 20%. Now let me show you what real time looks like. And because I can't get enough of a great sunset. Enjoy.